There are a lot of Black Friday deals going on right now, but let's talk about some that are actually worth it. Let's just get you on the tripod over here. Boop, boop. All right, 10 mil, a little bit too wide. Let's go 35, too tight. 24, perfect. Let's jump in and talk about these Black Friday deals. We'll go through it in categories, kind of going over some mics, some lighting equipment, cameras, and some other pieces of gear that I think have some really good sales. Let's jump in with this first deal, which I thought was one of the best deals that I have seen so far for Black Friday. The DJI Mic Mini is 45% off on Amazon. I haven't personally used this mic, but I have heard so many good things about this little mic. And this is a steal of a deal. So if you're interested in getting a wireless mic, maybe check this one out because it is 45% off. Another one to check out would be the Hollyland Lark Mark II, which is what I'm using right now. This is my personal favorite wireless mic. It's 20% off, which is a really good deal, and you get all 3 transmitters and the 2 wireless mics. Next up is a really good shotgun mic that you can put on camera, or you can put it on a boom it in on the boom pole, and that is the Rode NTG. It's 11% off, so you're saving about $25. And again, these deals are based off of if you're already looking at buying this item or you've kind of had it on your list. Little discounts like this may not seem like much, but if you're planning on buying it, it's a good time to buy it now when there is a little bit of a sale. So that's some really good options for mic sales. You've got the DJI Mic Mini that's on sale, 45% off. You got the Lark M2 that's 20% off, and that NTG is 11% off. And then real quick, one of my personal favorite chargers where you can charge 3 batteries at a time. You can also store SD cards in the top, and you can use it as a power bank. The Jupio Prime Tri-Charge is 23% off, so you can save $30 with that sale that they have going on right now. Now let's move into some cameras and see what deals, because there's actually some really good deals for camera bodies. If you're looking to pick up one of your first cameras and you're getting serious about photography or videography, I highly recommend the Sony ZV-E10 II, and they have it 17% off, so you're saving $200. This is an awesome deal. This is a great little APS-C camera for people that are wanting to kind of get serious about doing photo and video. They're also doing a little bit of a sale on the Sony FX30. This is an excellent camera. It's APS-C, but it packs a punch. The specs on this are incredible, and it's 14% off. So you're saving almost $300 pretty much on this camera. That is a really good deal to get it for $300 off. So if you've been thinking about upgrading and you're wanting something that's kind of more video focused, this is the camera for you. Now, if you have a little bit more money to spend, they're also doing a huge deal on the Sony a7 IV. I've used this camera for a few years. I actually sold it to get the Sony a7C II, but this is an awesome hybrid camera. It's excellent for photo, excellent for video. This is a really good deal if you're looking to upgrade or looking to get a B cam, another A cam for your setup. This is a really good deal. Next up is the brand new Sony FX2 that just came out this year. They're only running a 10% discount, but still you're saving $300 pretty much from like list price, which is not just like a huge discount, but that's because this is a newer camera. So if you're looking for something a little bit more video focused than the a7 IV, this has the same sensor and it's newer. It has that new body that's like the cinema body, and it has a fan, and the a7 IV doesn't have a fan. So if you're looking for something more video focused for longer recordings, or you don't want to worry about overheating or anything like that, this might be the camera for you. And they are running a small discount on that if you want to check it out. Then we move to more of that portable vlogging style camera, the DJI Pocket 3. I love this little camera. It's excellent for walking around, getting quick stuff, using it on trips. It's great for travel. So having something small that you can just kind of slide in and out of your pocket, have really handy and not be carrying around like a huge rig. They're running an awesome discount on that, 32% off. And that's for the creator bundle. So you'll get that DJI Mic 2 that will automatically connect to the Pocket 3. And before we get to the rest of the physical gear items, I want to show you a really fantastic deal if you use DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, or even Premiere Pro as your editing software. Motion VFX plugins is running a huge sale right now. The entire store is 30% off, so any packs you want on the entire website, you can use the code FINAL at checkout to get 30% off. And they're also running 50% off packs. There's 2 weeks left at the time that I'm recording this to get the 50% off packs that they're doing, 5 packs per week. So this week, they've got M Lowers, Universal, M Titles, Hype, M Look Movie 2, M Callout Specs, and M Tuber 2. And you can see what these packs are for. They've got them some for DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro. You just have to see which softwares they're available for. These plugin packs are absolutely incredible. I've been using them for the last few months and they're awesome. So be sure to jump on getting those 50% off for this week and next week before the sale ends. And the entire store is 30% off. Now let's check out some more gear. Now let's talk about some lighting equipment. The SmallRig flashlight is 34% off. This is a steal. You should get a couple of these just to have in your studio, have in your camera bag. These are so useful. I use them all the time, and it's already a super budget-friendly and affordable piece of gear, and it's at even more of a discounted price, which is fantastic. You need to pick one of these up. They're so fun. Next up is the Aputure B7C bulb. This is 20% off. Again, same principle. These are so useful. You can throw them in any lamp in your studio. You can make them any color. You can even use this as a key light. If you have a lamp with a big white shade on it, you can put that on your desk and use that as a key light. That's one of the most affordable ways to have an awesome key light. But you can also throw it in the back as an accent inside of a lamp. You should have several of these just lying around to use because they are so useful for lighting. So check these out. That's a really good steal of a deal. Now let's talk about a couple of lenses that I own that are on sale right now. First up is the Sirui Aurora 85mm f1.4. This is a gorgeous 85mm prime lens. Creamy background, it looks incredible. And right now, they have it 12% off, so you're saving a little bit of money. It's only a $500 lens, but just to save that extra 60 bucks, if you're looking to get a prime, this is a really good affordable prime. Has autofocus, full frame, and you can get it for Sony, Nikon, Fuji, or Leica. The next lens, this has been one of my favorite lenses this year, and that is the Blazar Apex 50mm t1.8 1.33 times stretch anamorphic autofocus lens. Now, this lens is for APS-C cameras, but I use it on my full frames all the time and just crop in just a little to get rid of that vignetting on the sides. This lens is gorgeous. It looks so cinematic. The 1.33 times squeeze is easy to work with. So if you've been thinking about getting it, it's $100 off on B&H. And this is just a fun little lens to play around with because it is autofocus. It kind of makes shooting anamorphic a little bit easier than like a manual focus lens would. This is just a super fun lens. If you want to check it out, it is $100 off right now. Anyway, that was just a few really good deals that I saw from some gear that I either recommend or I personally use most all of this gear. And I thought these sales were actually some pretty good deals if you're planning to buy gear for Black Friday. I'll have links to everything in the description below if you want to check any of these deals out. And if you found some value in this video, check out this video right over here.